Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're just finishing up a two-car garage in Land O'Lakes. So this is a two-car, full chip, with baseboards, polyaspartic top coat. We did do a lot of extra prep along the baseboards because there was a lot of voids in there, so we filled that with an epoxy compound before we actually did the baseboards to give them a relatively smooth look, which I think they look really nice. Here's the detail in around the hot water heater. And this color is California Gray. So we cleaned up the apron, got rid of a lot of original construction material, just took it down to bare concrete. On this job we actually had to do a few repairs because there was voids in the lead-in edge. We filled them all in. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.